Hi guys, I know you are highly conscious about your privacy while using your mobile phone, and I am going to introduce a simple application with lots of functions within. With this application, you can free up your phone storage, manage your apps, and lots more. In this video, I am going to show you how to secure your version files, images, videos, documents, etc. So let's start. Please support me and subscribe my channel Tech Reloaded. First, you need to download ES File Explorer from the Play Store. Open ES File Explorer. Select your storage and open it. I only have one storage, so we open the one storage, and then select your folder or files which you want to hide or lock. For selecting folders, you need to long press on the folder or file which you want to lock. I open the folder which contains some files, so I am going to select some pictures for locking. I'll show you how to encrypt these files, and press more, select encrypt. Now you can put your password here. I'm going to enter my password. You have to enter your password 2 times. If you want your password through your email, you can check the email option. They will send your encryption password to the email, and you can also check the option encrypt file name, then press OK. Done. Now you can see that encrypted file has some images like locked file. You can open directly from the file explorer. You need to decrypt that file. Press again more, select the files and enter your password. This is it. Your file is open. Now let's see how to lock all files in the folder. With a single press, select the folder which you want to lock, enter your password, press OK. Now open the folder. You can see all files are encrypted. This method is the most secure way to lock your files. You can find lots of applications in the Play Store for locking your files, but most of them can bypass using some tricks. For this method, you have to enter your password, otherwise no one won't see the files. And in this method, I am going to show you how to hide your folders without encrypting them. Select your files and press more and press hide. Your files have been hidden. And if you want to hide your folder, select folder, press more and press hide. If you want to see your folders and files, press top left of the file explorer and select hide list. You can find your folders and files there, but you will not able to see these files in the main window. If you want to see these files in the main window, you have to restore those files. For restoring these files, go to hide list and press restore one by one, or you can press the back button for a single click restoring all the files. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel Tech Reloaded. We'll be back with new tech videos. Stay tuned.